Let's make a flavorful tomato soup with a grilled cheese sandwich. Hi everyone and welcome to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and today I'm making a tomato soup. Apologies for not posting in the last couple of weeks. The entire family had COVID. They have all recovered, including myself. I'm just shaking off this last run. I'm just a little bit chesty and my voice is not completely right. All the ingredients used will be found in the drop-down description below. So let's go. I've just added some olive oil to my pot. I'm also going to add some sliced onions. Let that brown slightly. And once you've sauteed it, you can then add a heaped teaspoon of crushed garlic. This is such a simple soup to make and you can actually make it in approximately 10 minutes. Next, I'm going to add some butter, approximately 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. And that will give your soup a beautiful rich taste and a lovely glossy color. I'm adding some dried herbs next, a leveled teaspoon of oregano, or you can add mixed herbs. And that gives a nice flavor as well, followed by a can of peeled tomatoes. If you have fresh tomatoes, you can use that as well. A touch of turmeric, followed by 3 tablespoons of Knorr Tomato base dry cook-in sauce. I simply love this ingredient. I was introduced to it just recently and it really packs a punch of flavor. Mix through so it all dissolves, and then we're going to turn off our stove and let it cool down. I'm going to transfer it to my NutriBullet because I want to blend it. Alternatively, if you have a handheld blender that you can use in your pot, you can proceed to do that. So I prefer my tomato soup to be pretty smooth, silky consistency. If you prefer to have it chunky, then you can skip this part. And this is probably the most time-consuming part because I had to do it in portions. The size of my NutriBullet will not be able to accommodate all of the soup. Once done, you can then set it aside or add it straight to your pot again. And then we're going to add half a can of tomato puree. Combine with your blended part of the soup. And then we're going to continue to season. So you're just basically going to need salt to taste, pepper, a leveled teaspoon of sugar. I use brown sugar. And then you're going to add some boiling water. I generally use about half a cup of boiling water, but you can use as you prefer until you get the desired consistency. So your tomato soup is ready. My suggestion is to give it a taste to make sure you have enough seasoning. And then we're going to make a quick blend of basil with olive oil and a touch of salt. And this is going to be drizzled on the top of your tomato soup. It gives your tomato soup even more flavor. The fresh basil leaves really complement your tomato soup so nicely. I sometimes mix it into my soup and enjoy. And what's tomato soup without a proper grilled cheese sandwich? It has to be lovely and gooey. I do prefer to add mozzarella, and you can add a touch of cheddar cheese if you want. Let's serve up. Piping hot tomato soup. Drizzle of that basil oil. Garnish with fresh basil leaves. And what an amazing, comforting dish to enjoy. Not forgetting that grilled cheese sandwich. A quick dip. Yummy. I hope you enjoy this simple tomato soup recipe. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell so you are notified when a new video has been uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are always welcome. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Lots of love, Selena.